Girls' night this Saturday.
Oh, really?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Can I come?
Why would you come? It's a girls' night.
Please.
No, baby, these are the things that I'm talking about. You're too clingy. You're too needy.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the issue we're going to be addressing at our free webinar on the 25th of July 2020, 8 p.m. UK time. What are we going to be talking about?
We are looking at too clingy to cleave. Do you find yourself in a relationship where you feel like your other half is just on your case, too clingy? Or perhaps you are the person in the relationship who is too clingy, and this webinar is for you.
So what are you waiting for? Go register now. The good thing is that it is absolutely free. Okay, so what am I going to wear for this girls' night, please?